Okay, we are here at Garden View at what we call the Foam House, and this is an observation deck. I reckon he's going to have some fantastic parties up here. You look at the view this man's got from up here. This is the Fountain Grove neighborhood, where of course everything burned back in 2017. Now that's a beautiful house they've already rebuilt. So it is foam blocks with a concrete inside. It's really something. It's quite a way to build. Wouldn't even want to guess how much concrete's in this place, but it's a lot. So they're building real good up here. Building Sonoma strong. Lots of houses, lots of plumbing work needs done. Lots of radiant heating slabs going wanting. People doing slabs and no radiant. It's a real shame. I don't see solar hot water anywhere. Another real shame. So, my job will be to educate them. Good afternoon. I'm Gary with Sunfire Plumbing, and as I say, we're up here in Fountain Grove in the burn section. One of the burn sections. We had a lot. You can see down here a bunch of fresh roofs. What do we got there? Cal Fire. There's our guys keeping an eye out. Anyway, there's some homes down there in that neighborhood. So a lot of building going on. So we're glad, proud, privileged to be a part of this build and look forward to more work. Thank you much. Thank you for watching.